So now starting a news from Bihar. COVID cases surge as 3,756 in Bihar, 1,382 in Patna test positive. The surge in COVID-19 cases continued in Bihar on Sunday as 3,756 more people were found infected in the past 24 hours. It was the highest single day tally in the state this year. Patna remained on top with 1,382 new cases, that is followed by Bhagalpur, Gaya, Muzaffarpur, Jahanabad, Begusarai, Siwan and Munger. Patna had 5,802 active cases on Sunday. The active cases reached near the 15,000 mark in the state as per the Health Department bulletin. The number of active cases was 3,561 about a week ago. So far, 2,83,229 people in Bihar have got infected since March last year. The mortality rate has increased up to 1.7% in the past 1 week compared to 0.7% on April 4, as 1,610 COVID patients have died in the state so far. 6 more people lost their lives at COVID hospitals in Patna during treatment on Sunday. Of them, 1 died at the AIIMS Patna. He was a 90-year-old from Jahanabad. 10 patients were admitted and 4 got discharged from AIIMS Patna in the past 24 hours. NMCH reported 3 more deaths, including a 50-year-old woman from Patna's Kankarabagh area. 2 other aged 45 and 91 from Bhojpur and Gaya respectively died. NMCH Nodal Officer for COVID-19 Dr. Mukul Kumar Singh said that 21 patients were admitted on Saturday and 3 got discharged. At PMCH, 2 patients succumbed to COVID infections. One was a 40-year-old man from Mohanpur in Patna and the other a 26-year-old man from Nalanda. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi, after holding a crucial meeting with Chief Minister of all states, addressed the nation as COVID cases continued to surge and declared to close all schools, colleges and institutions of several states. Due to the rising COVID cases, several states have imposed night curfew. So now that's all for today's news. Stay tuned for latest updates and in-depth analysis of news from India and around the world.